capsicum recipe in a unique and a different way, that is stuffed capsicum. So let's get started. Ingredients required to prepare stuffed capsicum are 1 big onion finely chopped like this, 1 tomato finely chopped, coriander, turmeric powder, chili powder, 2 tablespoons, salt, 1 teaspoon, groundnut powder. Groundnut powder, you need to roast the groundnut and then powder it. Capsicum. For capsicum, you need to cut it in such way. I'll just show you one. You just need to take out this and just cut it like this and another half, so that it is good for the stuffing. Now let's start preparing the mixture for stuffing. First we'll take the onions, then tomatoes, coriander, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, groundnut powder 2 tablespoons, and salt 1 teaspoon. Now let's mix this mixture. Now let's mix the mixture properly with your hand. Now the mixture is mixed well. I'll take the capsicum which we have slit and kept it like this. Take a little bit of mixture and just stuff it. And we'll keep it. Okay, now I have stuffed all the capsicums completely, and a bit of mixture is left, and so I'm keeping this mixture aside. That will put it later. First I've taken a pan. I'm going to add oil 1 tablespoon. Now the oil is heated. I'm going to add all the stuffed capsicums in it. Now the mixture which was left, I'm going to add even that. Now do not turn the capsicums. Just we'll cover the lid and we'll cook it for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, let's open the lid and check. We will turn the capsicum slowly so that the stuffing doesn't come out. You can see this. Now we have to turn the capsicum in all the angles and let it cook. Slowly. Turn the another one. Can you see this? All of the capsicums have nicely roasted. Again, I'll close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. So you can see this. The capsicums have got cooked from all the sides. Now let's serve this. Stuffed capsicum is ready. Thank you. videos. For vegetarian recipes, please go to my YouTube channel and in the playlist search for Plant on Plate. So you can find all the vegetarian recipes over there. Keep watching. Thank you.